Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am just out for a very short video. I knew that the lupins here were like insane how much they grew, because I've done Street View on this, and there's a lot of different dates for Street View for this time of year, and the lupins have never been. And we had such a, call it a deluge of rain. I wasn't expecting this. It's the whole Carp River is flooded. So in the foreground, I took the pictures with the lupin, and then in the background, you can see the reflections of the trees on the flooded area of the Carp River. So I took a bunch of shots, so in post-processing, I'll see what I can do. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it flooded like that. The last time I drove by here, it wasn't like this, so it looks pretty cool. Okay, so hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe. Yeah, it's a short video. So anyways, talk to you later. Bye for now.